The Itivuttaka, Section 19. Unity in the Sangha. This was said by the Lord, said by the Arahant. So I heard. There is one thing, bhikkhus, which, when it appears in the world, appears for the welfare of many people, for the happiness of many people, for the good, welfare, and happiness of devas and humans. What is that one thing? It is unity in the Sangha. When the Sangha is united, there are no mutual quarrels, mutual recriminations, mutual denigrations, and mutual expulsions. In this situation, those who are unsympathetic are converted, and those who are sympathetic increase in faith. Pleasant is unity in the Sangha. One who helps those in unity, who delights in unity and is righteous, is not deprived of security from bondage. By making the Sangha united, he rejoices in heaven for an eon.